Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You act fast, move a governor into the city now, because governors give steady loyalty and specific perks. Once placed, garrison a combat unit. This adds loyalty and deters rebels. At the same time, assign or build amenity sources. One extra amenity can shift loyalty at the margin. You should prioritize the governor slot and garrison over slow fixes, since those change loyalty immediately. Make these first moves, while you prepare the longer-term stability steps that follow. Once the governor and garrison are in place, secure mid-game fixes that sustain loyalty. Send a domestic trade route. This gives +2 loyalty per turn and immediate reinforcement. Choose origin cities with high loyalty. Make a policy swap to loyalty-boosting cards, and prioritize military policies if you expect siege threats. Repair damaged districts and build a monument or entertainment complex to raise culture and amenities respectively. These measures reduce pressure and buy time, so finish by removing external loyalty pressure and locking control. Capture or neutralize nearby enemy cities that apply negative pressure, because geography decides long-term loyalty. Keep your governor promoted and maintain a garrisoned unit. Run city loyalty projects when available to tip marginal turns. If something goes wrong, check for lost trade routes, a war that removed loyalty modifiers, slipped amenities, or an ill-timed policy slot. Fixing one of those usually stops a late flip. Stay proactive, don't wait until the last turn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.